Have you thought about investing in crypto to catch up on your retirement, but are kind of afraid of crypto? You've heard that it's too risky, it's too volatile, and really only criminals use crypto. I was like you 4 years ago. I knew that I was behind in my retirement savings, and I was really worried that I would not have enough to live comfortably when I no longer was bringing in any income. I was seeing that people were making millions with crypto, but I'd heard it was just too risky and too volatile. But I took a leap of faith. I purchased $100 of Bitcoin, and from there, I figured out a safe and secure way to create my crypto retirement portfolio. So, here are 3 secrets that can get you started investing in crypto today. Okay, secret number 1, find a mentor that you trust to teach you what crypto is, how and why it was created, and what problem it solves. I find that if you understand what crypto is, you'll be a better crypto investor. Okay, secret number 2, dip your toe into buying some crypto. You must get your hands dirty and sign up for a crypto exchange, connect your bank account, and buy some Bitcoin. Buy just 5, 10, maybe $100 at most. You'll be surprised at how much easier it was than you thought. And last secret is don't FOMO. Now that you've bought your first Bitcoins, congratulate yourself and chill. That's right, chill. Don't go off and start buying more crypto. Watch your Bitcoin and start learning more and more about what you just bought. Learn the basic principles of Bitcoin first and be able to explain what is Bitcoin, why it was created, and what problem that it solves. Then, as you're learning, you can look into other crypto assets. Now, if you really want to understand what crypto is, sign up for my free crypto investing school community and learn with other new crypto investors and begin your journey today.